MrBeast becomes the latest celebrity to have a deepfake video scam target their followers. The world's biggest YouTuber has taken to his socials to warn people of a deepfake scam that uses his likeness, a video of him in fact, to try to get people to send money in exchange for an iPhone. Basically, the video claims that MrBeast is giving away 10,000 iPhones for just $2 each, and that if you're seeing this ad, you're one of the lucky winners.
If you're watching this video, you're one of the 10,000 lucky people who'll get an iPhone 15 Pro for just $2. I'm MrBeast, and I'm doing the world's largest iPhone 15 giveaway. Click the link below to claim yours now.
Now, of course, this ad was not created by MrBeast, but by artificial intelligence. Beast tweeted, "Lots of people are getting this deepfake scam out of me. Are social media platforms ready to handle the rise of AI deepfakes? This is a serious problem." Matthew Kobach tweeted, "First AI scam I've been served as an ad. I wonder if social media platforms are prepared for this. This fake MrBeast could just as easily be a fake Trump or Biden." Now, some argued that this was going to get worse with the rise of open source AI, which is part of the subject of our main episode. Irreverent Labs co-founder Rahul Sood said, "It is a problem, but this will only get worse with open source AI as not everyone runs with high integrity. This is another reason why AI companies should be a protected class in the US, and regulation should be designed to protect and foster innovation here." Now, of course, this isn't the only news we've had recently about a celebrity warning of a deepfake ad using their likeness as part of a scam. Over the weekend, Tom Hanks posted to his 9.3 million Instagram followers that, quote, "There's a video out there promoting some dental plan with an AI version of me. I have nothing to do with it." CBS anchor Gayle King also posted a video with the big text on top of it, "fake video," and said, "People keep sending me this video and asking about this product, and I have nothing to do with this company. I posted this video promoting my radio show on August 31st, and they've manipulated my voice and video to make it seem like I'm promoting it. I've never heard of this product or used it. Please don't be fooled by these AI videos." I think it's safe to say that the game of deepfake whack-a-mole has officially begun. Now, moving over into the world of labor, everyone has a sense that artificial intelligence is going to have a big impact on the economy and the jobs market. The question is just how much. Well, a new report from Morgan Stanley analysts says that 44% of the labor force is likely to be affected by artificial intelligence in the next 3 years. They estimate a $4.1 trillion economic effect on the labor force. The note read, "We see generative AI expanding the scope of business processes that can be automated. At the same time, the input costs supporting Gen AI functionality are rapidly falling, enabling a strongly expansionary impact to software production. As a result, generative AI is set to impact the labor markets, expand the enterprise software TAM, and drive incremental spend for public cloud services." More subjectively, Janet Yellen, the US Treasury Secretary, also added her thoughts on AI, saying that its, quote, "unbelievably rapid development could have a big impact in boosting the economy." Now, she noted that American productivity has gone down. Earlier this year, Fortune published a piece, "American Worker Productivity is Declining at the Fastest Rate in 75 Years." Yellen said that the explosion of AI could supercharge productivity. She said the progress in this area is unbelievably rapid and it could make a significant difference. Now, overall, she positioned AI as part of a larger shift through which she said we're restoring US leadership in science and tech. Of course, in order to have all of those productivity gains, we have to help people actually learn about AI and adapt to the new AI economy. And on that front, it seems that LinkedIn is doubling down. TechCrunch writes, LinkedIn goes big on new AI tools for learning, recruitment, marketing, and sales powered by OpenAI. Now, LinkedIn has had a steady drip of new AI products. Back in March, for example, it announced AI-powered writing suggestions that were for both posts as well as for direct messages. And recruiters have also reported seeing a series of tests around job description support using AI, and that appears to be getting a little bit formalized with this latest set of announcements. The company announced something called Recruiter 2024, which is a new AI-assisted recruiting experience. Basically, what it allows for is recruiters to use more conversational, natural language to try to hone in on the type of employees that they're looking to find. In addition to helping recruiters refine their searches, Recruiter 2024 will also have more suggestions outside of what recruiters might think that they are conventionally looking for. Over on the learning side, there is a new AI chatbot that they're calling a learning coach that will give advice around soft skills to job seekers, job switchers, and current professionals. Many are speculating that if this learning coach has positive results, it might be extended to recommending content from LinkedIn's extremely large catalog of learning videos and other educational resources. Finally, both the marketing and sales aspects of the platform will also get an AI upgrade. Like so many of the other big tech social platforms, the marketing tools are having AI integrated specifically with a new product called Accelerate. And on the sales side, their new AI features promise to help salespeople find the right context more efficiently. While the cynical take on all this might be that this is just throwing the AI kitchen sink at everything LinkedIn does, I sort of think that that's just the phase that we're in right now, where basically every company is going to be experimenting with artificial intelligence across the suite of what it does, in an effort to see where it actually makes a difference and where it doesn't. I'm not sure which of these are going to stick, but I think that the trend line of trying all these AI features is pretty clear. Now, not all the news in AI land is particularly great. One of the bits of news that contributed over the summer to a sense that AI hype might be dying down were job cuts at once buzzy startup Jasper AI, and now on top of that, the company has cut the internal value of its common shares by 20%. The company had previously raised a venture round at a $1.5 billion valuation back in June. Now, in many ways, while Jasper started as exemplary of the Silicon Valley excitement in AI startups, it has instead come to represent something very different, which is a warning that just slapping a user interface wrapper around someone else's technology might not be the way to long-term success in this rapidly evolving space. Now, while this valuation cut has not been confirmed, it is clear that there is some turbulence inside the company. Last Thursday, for example, they announced that CEO and co-founder Dave Rogenmoser was stepping down, and former Dropbox president Timothy Young would be replacing him. Bringing it back all the way around to where we started with deepfakes, one of the potential answers that has been posited to the inevitable rise of deepfakes has been AI watermarks. In other words, technological solutions to identify content as having been created by artificial intelligence. Now, there are a lot of different approaches to watermarking, some that are visible to the human eye, some that are invisible, but new research from the University of Maryland suggests that whatever solutions we have right now, they are not sufficient. As Wired summed it up, researchers tested AI watermarks and broke all of them. Computer science professor Shohel Faizi said, "We don't have any reliable watermarking at this point. We broke all of them." Now, one take on this, of course, is that watermarking is just useless, but another take is just to understand that there are limitations to how effective they are. Jonas Gepping points out that watermarks were never likely to solve the issue of AI being created adversarially that was purposefully meant to deceive. As he writes, "It is unreasonable to expect watermarking to prevent instances of targeted misuse like fake news campaigns. This is an important message to policymakers who sometimes seem like they're looking only for easy answers." If nothing else, between this and the Mr. Beast news, it's very clear just what a challenging cat and mouse game this is likely to be. But for now, that's going to do it for today's AI Breakdown Brief. Thanks as always for listening or watching, and I'll be back soon with the main AI Breakdown.